खबर पश्चिम बंगाल के हुगली से, जहां टीएमसी सांसद कल्याण बनर्जी ने मतदाता सूची और एसआईआर के मुद्दे पर केंद्र और चुनाव आयोग को घेरा। उन्होंने कहा कि लगभग 60 लाख मामले अभी भी लंबित हैं। बनर्जी ने याद दिलाया कि 21 फरवरी को सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इन मामलों के निपटारे के लिए जज स्तर के अधिकारियों की नियुक्ति का निर्देश दिया था, लेकिन 10 दिन बीत जाने के बाद भी एक भी मामले का निपटारा नहीं हुआ। उन्होंने इसे नागरिकों के मौलिक अधिकारों का उल्लंघन बताते हुए मांग की कि यह प्रक्रिया दैनिक आधार पर होनी चाहिए और डेटा ऑनलाइन अपलोड होना चाहिए।
60,000 name has been deleted. In Bengal context, more than 60 lakhs vote under adjudication. What is your reaction?
We have said so. I have said so. 60 lakhs cases are under adjudication. Although on 21st February, Supreme Court has directed to appoint the adjudicating officers, that is judges level, to adjudicate the matters. Then it was diluted that up senior, junior division judges will be appointed. That has gone already 21st to our today is first. I mean 10 days have gone. But not a single adjudication has been done. In that case, this has to be done very speedily. I mean, every day it has to be done and it has to be informed and it has to be uploaded. So this is the things are required to be done by the judges. The persons whose names are not there in the voter list or under adjudication, this is a breach of a fundamental right. In a democracy, who is important? What is important? Important is the people. Because people, voter, they select the government. They select their MLA, they select their government, etc. Now this right is under suspension for few days. Therefore this has to be done by the adjudicating officers. Very speedily it has to be done. It is expected that they should do it. If it is not done, then the unfortunate system in our judicial system, we have to say. And regarding the deletion part is concerned, I have heard it deletion. Now I have already said that the deletion, the persons whose names have been deleted, they should contact with the local Trinamool Congress leaders, workers, and fill up the form 6 and give it. And I need the entire list, because Supreme Court is also said, let them proceed. We are here. We will see how many names have been deleted, how many cases have been adjudicated. All are open issue. And I have a trust and belief that if everyone works in a right manner, this number would be decreased like anything.